Welcome to the Medicity, and congratulations on taking a significant step forward in your medical career by enrolling in our fellowship and diploma in minimal access surgery for gynecologists. This course is meticulously designed to enhance your surgical skills and broaden your expertise in minimally invasive procedures, a field that continues to revolutionize modern gynecological practice. Through this comprehensive program, you will gain in-depth knowledge and hands-on experience in the latest techniques and technologies used in minimal access surgery. Our curriculum is structured to provide a blend of theoretical understanding and practical application, ensuring that you develop the confidence and proficiency required to perform complex procedures with precision and care. Under the guidance of some of the most esteemed professionals in the field, you will have the opportunity to learn from their vast experience and insights within a supportive and collaborative environment. This course is tailored to meet the needs of both beginners and experienced surgeons, offering a perfect platform to refine existing skills or expand your surgical repertoire. Our commitment to your success is unwavering, and we are excited to be part of your journey towards becoming a leader in gynecological surgery. This training will not only enhance your technical abilities, but also empower you with the confidence and expertise needed to excel in your surgical practice.